Now, the first thing you want to do when decluttering and cleaning on your way to selling your home is going to be to take all the gadgets off your kitchen countertops. This means that even the fancy coffee maker that makes coffee better than Starbucks, or even the blender that makes smoothies better than the Smoothie King themselves, the medication, the Alexa, take it all off the countertops. Remember, the kitchen is going to be the most important room to most buyers. So after you're done decluttering your countertops, also depersonalize your fridge. Leave no more than one fridge magnet, preferably none.